In Qlik Cloud, you can organize data files in a hierarchical folder structure in the following types of spaces: personal space, shared space, managed space, data space. Each space contains its own folder structure. To get started, open a space in the catalog, click Space Details, and then select Data Files. To create a folder in the space, in the Data Files toolbar, click Add Folder. Enter the name of the folder. When done, click Create. Now you can move files in this folder. To do so, click the More icon next to the file and select Move. Under Path, choose a destination space. This can be either the current space or a new space. Please note, if you move a data file to a new location within a space, any load scripts that reference that data file need to be updated to reference the new file path. Once you've selected a space, reselect the path bar to define a specific folder within the selected space. Once you've selected the destination, click Move. Repeat this process for any additional files to organize them into the folder structure. Now, when you open the folder, you will see the files that have been moved. You can add a nested folder by clicking the More button next to an existing folder and selecting Add Folder. Enter the name of the folder. The path field will already be populated with the space name and folder name, so you can simply click Create. The new folder is added within the existing folder. Now, let's move a file into the subfolder. First, select the space, then choose the folder, and finally the subfolder. When done, click Move. You can use the options in the toolbar to perform actions on multiple files or folders at once. To select more than one file, hold down the Control key while clicking on the files. In this example, we'll cut both files and paste them into the customer folder. In this way, both files will be moved there. And there you have it. You've successfully organized your content into a structured folder system. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.